All right. I think we are here. Okay. Hi, everyone. Welcome again. Today I'm going to show you things that you are going to do before you start running meta ads. Okay. Most courses you will find online are courses whereby the instructors will just jump into showing you the meta ads library, the ads library, and then they will start telling you and showing you things on on what to do and things to click. But then I want to show you something different here today. Okay, what I'm about to show you is the official link whereby Facebook has put together its own course to teach people how to run ads on Facebook. Let me repeat this again in another way. People want to run ads on Facebook, but then Facebook knows that not a lot of people knows how to run ads very well. So Facebook has created a different platform whereby they will teach people how to use the Facebook platform to run ads. So the link you are seeing here is the official link of that website. So we are going to go to that website. We are going to go to that website and you will see the interface. And I'm going to give you a crash course on how to run ads if you want to get started immediately. But then the link I'm about to show you is the official link whereby you can take your time and learn everything about Facebook ads, where Facebook themselves will teach you how to run ads. Okay, so let's click on the link. If we copy the link, and don't worry about this link, I'm going to put this link in the resources section. So if you watch this video and then you can go to the resource section and you can find this link, okay, on meta ads, you can go there and see for yourself. So now that we have copied the link, let's open up a new tab. Okay, let's open up a new tab and then we can open up the website. Okay, allow it to load. So we are here. So as you can see, this is Meta Blueprint, right? Meta Blueprint. So it says Digital Marketing Associate. See, Meta Certified Digital Marketing Associates understand the value that advertising through Meta platforms can deliver for businesses and can use foundational tools to build campaigns. So this is the official website where Meta is going to teach you how to run ads with their platform, and it also have certifications. Okay, but then for Facebook ads, you have to pay a little amount of money to get certified. But for other platforms like Snapchat, TikTok, LinkedIn, Twitter, you don't have to pay anything. Okay, you can be certified, but it doesn't matter if you're certified or not. What really matters is that you learn how to run ads and you do it very, very well, whether there is certificates or not. Your clients are not going to be asking you for certificates. All they want to know is that you have done this before and you know how to do it. So this is the official website, and as you can see, when you get started, start marketing with Meta Technologies, build an online presence with a Facebook page. They will teach you everything you need to know about meta ads themselves. You can just take your time and learn everything. See advertising fundamentals, get started with advertising on Facebook and Instagram, introduction to campaign objectives, create audiences in Meta Ads Manager. So this is the official website where Facebook will teach you how to run ads on Facebook. You can just click login here, and then you can log in with your Facebook account, not your Facebook page, your Facebook account. That's what you use to log in. So I hope you get this. And don't worry, I'll put this link in the resource section so that if you want to take your time to learn Facebook ads, a course Facebook has designed to teach Facebook ads. If you want to take your time to learn these courses, it's available to you. Or if you want to learn the crash course, there is a video on that I have made for you so that you can go to the ads manager, open it up, and start running ads immediately. I'll see you in the next module.